Good afternoon. Now the continuation of a abrasive jet machining of a means the continuation. So here the continuation of a abrasive jet machining. Now the content, introduction, process, components, process parameters, process capabilities, applications, advantage, disadvantage here. Now come to the introduction. Just now I have said of a introduction. So here definition here. Okay, that is a, we are very well known that the concept is abrasive jet machining is removal of a excess of material from the workpiece. Abrasive is a particles, jet is a velocity, and machining is a material removal rate here. So it is a material removal process where the material is removed by with the help of high velocity of a, it may be air or gas, or it may be or water and abrasive mixture. I am saying that the air or a gas, or it may be a nitrogen, it may be a carbon dioxide, or it may be a air. Okay, mixed with the abrasive of a particles, like it may be a aluminum oxide, silicon, glass beads. Okay, diamond. So here diamond and glass. Okay, here the abrasive particle we are using here. So what happened here, means here abrasive particles carried by a high pressure of air or a gas is made to influence on the work surface, means with which is mixed in a nozzle. So high pressure and the high pressure, high air pressure, pressurize of a compressor of air and the abrasive particles, okay, which is in a nozzle, is a, when it is moving out with a high velocity, it is striking on the workpiece. From the see from the figure here. See here, this is the take place of a here. See from the this one, from the diagram here, the nozzle of the particles which is coming from diagram is a particles which is coming out from the nozzle is a striking on the workpiece. So here what happened? If removal of excess of material can be taken place. Okay. Now from the process principle, abrasive particles are made, means to on the work material at high velocity. Abrasive particles, just now I said of it, which what happens, the abrasive particles, it will be having a, this is a influence on the workpiece, means abrasive particles is a falls on the work material at high velocity. So abrasive particles should be a carried out, means it will be a mixing of a air and the a gas or air. It may be a carbon dioxide, it may be a nitrogen, or it may be air here. So what happens? There will be a withstanding of this particle. There will be a nozzle should be very strong on that one. Okay. So what happened here? It may be using of a means converting of a from a high velocity of a velocity of converting of a pressure energy to a kinetic energy here with a sense of a high velocity of a jet here. Here means what happened here, nozzle directs of a means nozzle which is a directly of a, this is a workpiece here, and the nozzle which is a in between nozzle which is having a mixture of a abrasive particles and the air here. So it is a striking on the workpiece here. So it will be a jet in a controlled manner onto the workpiece here. Maybe a direction also, it may be a distance also. That is a standoff distance we are saying here. Okay. If I am saying of a here the abrasive particles. So the abrasive particle having a some size here, nozzle having a made up of some materials here. That is okay. Nozzle, I just now said of a tungsten of a sulfur, we can also say, and the abrasive particle having a size of a 10 to a 15 micrometers. That's a, it may be we can use of, it may be similar regular shape or irregular shape, that is dependent upon, and for the brittle material also. But it is very difficult on a by on a rubber actually, or aluminum is very difficult by using of this abrasive jet machining. That's only the one problem here. And the what is how the difference of it from the conventional means what happens, there is a, in conventional the tool is contact with the workpiece here so that it will be a vibration blocker and a scatter. But there is no tool is a contact with the workpiece here in a abrasive jet machining here. So what happens, there is a no chatter and the vibrations take place here. The process principle here, see from the previous diagram to here, what happened here, the abrasive action cause of erosion here, high velocity abrasive jet or just now 150 to 300 of a micrometer. So velocity take place here in the same manner. What is the nozzle is made up of tungsten or carbide or sulfur here, and the abrasive work means of a particle means sort of means can be move out. So here the there will be having a distance, there will be a standoff distance means of a this nozzle to the workpiece. There is a standoff distance means of a nozzle point to the workpiece. There is we are saying there is a standoff distance. That is we are maintaining of a point 0.5 to a 15 mm here. Now the mechanism we are very well know that what is the fine particles we are saying of a and of a extracted in a gas stream, or we can say direct towards of the focus of machining here in the microfracture here and the gas carrier also, and the abrasive use of just now I said of aluminum oxide, silicon carbide, sodium bicarbonate, dolomite, and uh, glass beads here. So from the once again from the equipment from the diagram, see here the air compressor we are using of a example we are using of air compressor. So from the air compressor we are using a carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and air. So it is moved towards of a pressure controller air where it can control that air. So it will be a move forward means at what pressure can we move forward and dryer. So how much can be send off here. After that the filter means what are the dust particles. Any some dust particles mixed with the air. It will remove that one. Then it will send off air to the chamber where is the mixing can be abrasive particles and the air can be mixing can be with the help of vibrator, or we can go with the electromagnetic of a shaker also we can mix of a abrasive particles and the air here. Abrasive particle and the air. After that, with the help of electromagnetic of it, there will be having some regulator so that we can it will be on off valve take place here. So here we are converting of a pressure of a to the kinematic of a mechanism here. So after that we are moving of a means of a the mixture of a particles and the air we are moving towards of a nozzle here. From nozzle it is a striking on the workpiece, and there will be a hood. In this one is the exhaust. Whatever the some dust particles becomes of a dull, so it will be moved away from that. That is the exhaust we can say. Some should be covered with the hood we can say. Here we are using of a gas propulsion stream, abrasive feeder, machining chamber, abrasive jet machining, and abrasive sphere. Okay. So you depend upon the machining. Just now I said of a gas, air, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. So depend upon the way, the means of a oxygen in a pure form not used, because sometimes what happens there will be chemical action can be taken place here. So there will be having a so abrasive feeder may be depend upon the abrasive particles means be a vibrator we are saying of a we using of a vibrator of a 50 to 60 hazards here. Mixing ratio will be controlled by the amplitude vibrator of a just of a electromagnetic also we can use, our vibrator we can use here. So for mixing chamber for that one here, and even for the particles are provided by the carrier of a gases of a mixing chamber, then to the nozzle here. Then the machining of a chamber equipped with the vacuum dust and the collector here. Pump we are using that one. After that nozzles we are using of a tungsten, sapphire, and depend the very important point is that is a head. It may be a nozzle should be a head shade or it may be a right angle here, and depend upon the life of the nozzles is also here. So according to that one, we are going for the machining of a system that is abrasive, grain size, and application. If I am using of a aluminum of a oxide, we can go with the grain size, and we can go with the cleaning, cutting, and the deburring. In the same manner, silicon carbide, we can go with the hard material like stainless steels and the ceramics here. If I can go with the glass beads like polishing, fine deburring. In the dolomite, we can go with the grain size and the etching and the polishing here. Sodium carbide, same thing. We can go with that one of a light finish of a below of a glass for the nylon and the here for every there will be having a process parameters for every equipment here. Here also the process parameter we are using of a metal removal rate, geometric and surface finishing of the workpiece, and the wear rate of a nozzles here. And here also influenced by some other of a problem influenced by the process parameter abrasives, carrier gas, abrasive of a jet, and the nozzle. Same of a process for every equipment they are having a process parameter here also. The process parameter consists of abrasive, carrier gas, abrasive jet, and the nozzles here. If I am using of a abrasive, that is a carrier gas and the abrasive jet and the nozzle. Abrasive is a material is a aluminum. Just now I said of a last 2 minutes before also I said of a